channel, it's Melina again. And finally I recovered from my tonsillitis. And then now let me show you what we will be doing today. So let me show you. So today we are doing it's kind of squishy ball. So today we will be needing this thingy. We put water and confetti, and then some cup of water, balloons, confettis, and then some scissors. So let's get started. Okay, let's get continued. So first you gotta get your balloon, ladder color or white color. So you got this funnel. Take your balloon, put it on the funnel. Okay, now you got it on. You get your confetti. It's hard, so I'm using my hands. Get inside. Okay, now it's this turn. I guess this is enough. Now you put your rubber. Put it in. Okay, now let's say that first this time it's gotta be funny. Okay. Now we just gotta tie it. Okay, here we go. Now we got it. You see the confetti together? Now we just need to get your another balloon. And grab your pair of scissors. Now you just need to cut here. And just here. Now you got the hole, but you kind of okay. Now you got a hole. Now you get your balloon with a hole. Now you just need to stuff in this balloon inside a balloon. So let's get started. It's kind of hard, I guess. Okay, now we stuff it inside already. We have the balloon turning you like that. Really pretty, I know. So we just need to tie here. Okay, now I need to tie it. Tie it. There we go. Let me show you. This is my DIY fidget ball. Okay, now let me show you something. Let me put this here. Okay, so I bought this in Malaysia, donkey, but by Japan. So I got this 50 cm sweet long. Okay, so I am really excited to open this. So let's get open. Let me open here, I guess. I think this is enough. Oh, no, not enough. Okay, I guess we have to cut here. Okay, that's that. Let me show you it. It's pink color, I guess. Okay, now I'm gonna pull it out, I guess. Oh, it's really long. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. I can get it out. Oh yeah, I got it. Uh-oh, I ripped it. Okay, and cut it. Blueberry. Nice. Now, try this. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe our channel. Hit the bell button. Bye.